Anupriya and Priyanka. And Anupriya, before I come to you and Priyanka ji, Shaina, कुछ तो मजबूरी होगी ना, 240 पर आप हैं. अब क्लियरली विदाउट द जेडीयू, विदाउट द टीडीपी, आप लोग क्या करेंगे? तो अब तो आप नीतीश कुमार को क्रिटिसाइज भी नहीं कर सकते. शाइना, विल यू क्रिटिसाइज हिम टुडे?
Look, I think every political leader, and especially a male leader, needs to learn from Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, because he has respected women. And what do we want as a community? We want respect and we want opportunity. That opportunity is the basis on which we can showcase our talent. So I would only like to say that whether it is between rivals or even inside political parties, all women politicians have faced sexism, and by not just male colleagues but by a male Purush Pradhan Mansikta, which needs to be condemned in totality.
Shaina, you haven't mentioned Nitish Kumar even once. Are you saying the comment made by Nitish Kumar was sexist? Are you saying that?
Let me, you gave her so much time.
I will also give you time, but I want to understand where you stand on the story first.
I stand with the women of India. We want respect, we command respect, and nobody can stereotype us. And least of all, when you are having this debate on gender parity and pluralism, let's understand that every single woman in modern society, whether it is still nascent or even uneven in India, all we desire is respect. And this is essential to a modern society, a conservative society. And that's why when our Honorable Prime Minister has fought for Nari Shakti Vandan, for women's representation, which is much, much less currently than any other democracy, we know that the few women who come from privileged families may not have to face this kind of a slur. But there are ample questions that we can raise. Let's remember what Lalu Prasad Yadav said about Hema Malini's cheeks. Let's remember what Mulayam Singh Yadav said about men being men and, you know, not understanding or being compassionate with them.
Do you
Let's
want
understand
Nitish Kumar in that same
board,
breath,
and I'm
Shaina?
not limiting this to BJP.
At least take the name of Nitish Kumar. एक बार तो नाम लीजिए,
Yes,
Shaina.
I do want to add him. I am unequivocally taking the name of every politician who has at some stage, whether they have criticized a Sonia Gandhi or a Mayawati or a Mamta Banerjee or a Smriti Irani or a Jaya Prada, or for that matter,
this is
even a
what
Priyanka
about
Gandhi,
Shaina.
the
Let's
cause
cut
of
the chase.
women
This is what
is
about
far,
I've
far-
heard you. I
This is
just
not
want to
at
know
all
whether the
what about
BJP
Not at
condemns
all.
Nitish Kumar
I
for
am
the kind of comment. Will you ask him to apologize?
I am condemning misogyny in Indian politics.
Is
I am
Nitish Kumar
condemning
representing
any
that
man
misogyny
who
in Indian
condemns
politics,
a
Shaina?
woman and kind of stereotypes as if she knows nothing. I am condemning every common mindset which talks about, you know, a woman or commenting on her body or her IQ, and I am commenting on any male perpetrator of crime should apologize and should also understand that we are at par. This is the 21st century. If we have gotten to parliament or legislative assemblies, it is at the behest of an opportunity and showcasing our talent.
Shaina.
So in that reference, I don't think I can be more clear than what I have said.
In whatever you have said, I'm struggling to hear the word Nitish Kumar. मतलब इतनी मजबूरी हो गई है आपका, you know, Anupriya,
I've said
कि
his name
आपके
twice.
ally आपका नाम नहीं
I
ले
have
पा रहे
said-
हैं. No, Shaina, is Nitish Kumar going to be the face of the NDA in 2025 in the Bihar elections? In spite of this misogyny, in spite of this sexist comment.
I mean, look at where you've reached. Right now, let's just condemn a male misogynistic comment.
No,
and
we
a
are
male
done with enough
misogynistic
condemnation.
mindset.
We have always
Please don't
condemned,
correlate.
Shaina. We
If
need, because
we are-
clearly these men don't get a
we
message.
are all as women.
Condemnation is not good enough, no, Shaina. And that is the reason why you see a redux of these comments again and again. कुछ समय पहले पॉपुलेशन कंट्रोल पे जो उन्होंने कमेंट बोला था, मुझे तब भी याद है कि भाजपा को समझ नहीं आ रहा था कि कैसे बचाएं. So you forced Nitish Kumar to apologize. He retracted that comment. At least tell me that you will urge Nitish Kumar to retract that comment. Will you do that, Shaina?
Absolutely. Absolutely. And
Okay.
every respectful woman in his party or outside, be it the NDA or the opposition, would do the same. What did I say? What was my opening comment? All women
No, why is
want
it so difficult to
they
name
seek
Nitish Kumar,
respect
Shaina? I've
and
been
not to be
hearing you so
typecast.
patiently. Not even
And
once
if-
have you been able to
if-
name Nitish Kumar. Why is it so difficult?
Now, I have named him. I have
You want to
named
repeat?
him.
I might have missed it.
And this is not about Nitish Kumar versus. Look, I think you're getting into whataboutery. Every comment that I have made is absolutely bang on. If there is a male misogynistic mindset in our society, in our political class, be it the party in power or the opposition, it needs to be condemned in totality. And why did I cite Honorable Prime Minister as a role model? Because he has always given women not just opportunity, respect, and that's why a Nari
Okay.
Shakti Vandan is imperative. So we
Okay.
show that we are not just some dumb bimbettes, but who have the political IQ as well to rebut.
Shaina, you know, viewers are very smart. And there is a lesson in the mandate also for the BJP. And, you know, it is... I don't know why BJP spokespersons believe that they are right all the time. Sometimes it's good to take the bull by the horn. Name Nitish Kumar and say the BJP condemns the comment. Nitish Kumar should apologize. People would welcome that. But clearly you haven't done that. If you believe that you've alluded to Nitish Kumar and that is good enough, I leave it to, you know, your political wisdom. But people will understand what you've said and what you've decided not to say. But Priyanka ji, you represent the RJD here. RJD ने आज बहुत हंगामा किया है. राबड़ी देवी और तमाम नेता बाहर निकले हैं. सबने प्रोटेस्ट किया है. लेकिन शाइना ने अभी हमें बताया कि लालू प्रसाद यादव ने एक बार हेमा मालिनी जी को लेकर क्या कहा था. तब आप लोगों ने प्रोटेस्ट किया था.
Dipti ji, right now, Saina ji, right now she was mentioning role model Narendra Modi ji and his statements. I would like to remind about Sonia Gandhi. What were the words he used? Jersey guy, Vidhva, and Didi
प्रियंका, आप शो पर आकर अगर हम दोबारा वही बातें रिपीट करेंगे ना, प्लीज, that defeats the purpose.
They all were
Please, let's not
misogynist, and the
repeat
way
these
Nitish
hurls.
Kumar-
I want to
the
know,
way
I
Nitish
want to know
Kumar-
that what is the moral high ground that the RJD can take?
Why can't RJD take a moral high ground? The most feminist step taken in the history of India was periods leave given by Lalu Prasad when the European nations could not even think about it. So now let me come to what Nitish Kumar did. It has become his habit. He never misses a chance to pass sexist, misogynist, and casteist comments, especially on women. If he cannot spare a person who has been elected, and that too in Vidhan Sabha, what do you think about his mindset for the common women of Bihar?
No,
This
but
incident
Shaina and even
is
Shambhavi
totally
earlier,
preposterous.
Priyanka, they were saying that Nitish Kumar is the only chief minister who's ensured, you know, reservation for women right at the panchayat levels, and that's the reason why today women have a voice in Bihar. Can you deny that?
The moment he said, "Chup chap suno,"
Huh.
he lost his credibility. And he said, "Hum tumko laaye hai." That was their statement. It is not him. He must remember it was Fatima Sheikh and Savitri Bai Phule who opened the first school in India for us, for the women to study. And it was Baba Saheb Bhimrao Ambedkar who ensured the seats for Dalit candidates, SCs candidates all over the India so that they can contest even.
Okay.
So this is not Mr. Nitish Kumar. This is our historical Bahujan legacy and our Bahujan icons who did it for us. And if Nitish Kumar cannot spare a chosen MLA, what is his attitude towards common women in Bihar? I cannot understand.
Okay.